is the home screen of the xxpress user interface. It's been designed by biotechnologists to make it both intuitive and easy to use. It operates using a touch screen, fully functional even with lab gloves on. There are currently 3 tabs available for use. In the Analysis tab is a list of all the previous run results. Click on any of these to enter and view the results. The History tab lists all the previous run protocols performed on that machine. Click on any of these to load that particular protocol and use it again. The final tab is the Design Experiment tab, which enables users to create an experiment from scratch, which is what I'll show you in this video. First, select the type of PCR to be performed, whether it's a 2-step PCR or 3-step PCR, for example. Click the Next button to confirm. On the next page, select whether probe or cyber-based chemistry is being used. This brings up a list of some of the kit manufacturers that have been optimised on the xxpress machine. It's by no means an exhaustive list though. If you wish to use a kit manufacturer that isn't listed, simply choose Custom PCR when choosing the PCR type on the previous page. Once you've selected a kit manufacturer, it will bring up some of their products. Select one of these and press the Next button. Here the thermal profile is designed. As you can see, it's split into 3 sections: a start or initial denaturation, the reaction itself, and the end. The end section is in place to bring the plate to a temperature cool enough to touch, ready for when it's removed from the machine. Simply touch any of these sections to alter the parameters. If we enter our PCR section, we can see our 2 steps, one at 95 degrees Celsius for 1 second, using a ramp rate of 10 degrees Celsius per second, and the other at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds, using a ramp rate of 10 degrees Celsius per second, and measuring in the optical channel 1. This is repeated 40 times. There's also the option to perform a melt at the end of the PCR reaction. Again, you can alter the parameters for this just by touching. The plate size being used is then selected and pressed Next. This here is an optional page used to label the wells. You simply select the wells you wish to label and then press Edit. Here you can push Add to add a sample or target type. You can enter the name here. You can choose a colour for your sample, which is the colour that it will be displayed in on the amplification graph, and also specify your sample type. This final page is a summary of all the parameters the user has chosen. You can enter a file name up here and then press the Next button to run.